We have filled the feeder. Now we are waiting for some birds. Hopefully we should have some out here in the morning tomorrow. This is the grid-shaped bird feeder. We'll call it what it is. It is the Squirrel Protector. This will allow you to go ahead and feed your birds and enjoy the birds, and the squirrels cannot get to the food that's in this one. Don't know if there's any assembly required. We'll find out here momentarily. I don't think there is. There you go. See, packaged up for you, one big block, right, almost ready to go. Made of metal, so the squirrels will not chew through it, which is a great thing, because if you see this, see there's little gnaw marks on the plastic, and this was before I had gone ahead and set everything up. But now everything's done with a wire mesh, and the squirrels can't get up here. This is going to allow us to go ahead and add another feeder. I'm going to add this one here. So we now have a new bird feeder set up. This is going to be once again protected from the squirrels. You can pull these legs out. These are for the birds to perch on. Show you how to fill it real fast. You can pour your food right in. Now, when the squirrels come out, if a squirrel were to try and jump up here and pull on this, that drops. Cuts off access to the feeder, so the squirrels can't get into anything. But light enough that it's not going to deter the birds. So we'll get some food in there and see if we can get some birds on video.